Naloxone is a class of drug called an opioid receptor antagonist. This means that it actively competes with opioids at the receptors they affect in the body. However, when the antagonist binds, it stops the effects that opioids were producing. Consequently, this drug can be administered to help rapidly reverse the effects of opioid overdose. Its action with opioid receptors means that it cannot treat all drug overdoses, only the ones caused by opioids. Therefore, in overdoses with drugs such as methamphetamine, cocaine, or diazepam. Luckily, if naloxone is wrongly given to someone who is not suffering from an opioid overdose, no negative effects have been seen to occur. The three forms of naloxone available for first aid settings are pre-dose injection, injection via ampule, and nasal spray. Naloxone is being made available throughout the UK, normally pre-dose syringes or nasal spray for people at risk of suffering from an opioid overdose. Along with having naloxone available for the person at risk, training for those close to the person is also essential so they can administer the drug if they need to a person. After you've given naloxone, no matter the route of entry, make sure you've made a note of what has been administered and keep the empty apparatus nearby. These can be all handed over to the EMS on arrival and will be vital for helping them make sure the patient receives the necessary care down the line.